Good morning to all of you. Hope you are enjoying your life as well as my video. In the series of sequence and series, this is my second lecture on sequence and series, problems on arithmetic progression from various books such as Cengage and other books. So this will be question number 3. Last time we did 2 problems in the first video. This is third one. If sixth term of AP is 2, then find the value of common difference of AP which makes product A1, A4 into A5 as greatest. Greatest means maximum. So in this problem, application of derivative maxima minima is also involved. So let us see how to do. हमको कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड करना है. Let A be first term and D be common difference of AP. A6 is given to be 2, but A6 is what? First term plus phi D. So this implies A is what? 2 minus phi D. Let FD is equal to A1 into A4 into A5. Function D means whatever we are maximizing, and we are maximizing this. So FD is what? A1 means first term. A4 is what? A plus 3D into A plus 4D. A is replaced as what? 2 minus 5D. 2 minus 5D plus 3D is what? 2 minus 2D. 2 minus 5D plus 4D is what? 2 minus D. Now multiply them. 2 into 2, 4 minus 4D minus 10D plus 10D square into 2 minus D. 4 minus 14D plus 10D square multiplied to 2 minus D. Therefore, f of D is what? 4 into 2, 8 minus 4D minus 28D minus 14D plus 14D square plus 20D. 4 into 2, 8 minus 4D minus 28D plus 14D square, and this is D square. So 20D square. So 20D square minus 10D cube. So f of D is what? Minus 10D cube plus 6D square minus 32D plus 8. Now this function we have to maximize. So we have to differentiate with respect to D. So differentiating with respect to D will give you what? F dash D is what? Minus 30D square plus 12D minus 32 Therefore, for max value of f of d, first derivative has to be 0. F dash d is 0. Minus 30 d square plus 68d minus 32. Divide by 2. So 15 d square minus 34d plus 16 is equal to 0. So the factors are 24 and 10. So 15d square minus 24d minus 10d plus 16 is equal to 0. Take 3d common. 5d minus 8 minus 2 common. 5d minus 8. 5d minus 8 common. So 3d minus 2. So d is what? 8 by 5, or d is what? 2 by 3. Since f dash d is what? F dash d is what? Minus 30d square. I have not written here. F dash d is what? Minus 30d square plus 68d minus 32. Minus plus 68d minus 32. Again, differentiating with respect to d. So f double dash d is what? Minus 60 d plus 68. If you replace 2 by 3, will give you what? We want negative value. 20, 40. 8 by 5 will give you negative. F double dash at 8 by 5 minus 60 into 8 by 5 plus 68 minus 96 plus 68 minus 28 less than 0. This implies FD is maximum when D is what? 8 by 5. So required common difference is what? Is equal to 8 by 5. See question number 4th. If ratio of sum of m and n terms of an AP be m square is to n square, then show that ratio of mth and nth term is 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. Let A be first term and D be common difference of AP. Sm upon Sn is what? M square by n square. Sm by formula is what? M by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d divided by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to m square by n square. Now this will give you what? 1m, 2 cancel. So 2a plus m minus 1 into d upon 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to m by n. Now cross multiply. So 2a n plus mn minus n into d is equal to 2am plus mn minus m into d. Therefore 2an minus 2am, this you transfer on that side and take d common. So mn minus m minus mn plus m plus n, sorry, plus n into d. Here we can take 2a common, n minus m. Mn will get cancelled, so I'll get n minus m. N minus m will get cancelled, so d is what? 2a. Now we want ratio of, consider Tm upon Tn. Tm by formula is what? A plus m minus 1 into d, a plus n minus 1 into d. D is replaced by 2a. A plus m minus 1 into 2a divided by a plus n minus 1 into 2a. A common cancel. So 1 plus 2m minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2n minus 2. So 2m minus 1 upon 2n. Therefore ratio of their mth and nth term is what? Is 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. Find number of common terms to the two sequences 17, 21, 25 dot 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 up to 417 and 16, 21, 26 dot 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 up to 466. The first common term is what? 21. Since 17, 21, 25, 417 are in AP with common difference 4. And 16, 21, 26, 466 are in AP with common difference 5. Therefore, common difference of sequence with common terms is equal to LCM of 4 and 5, which is 20. The first common term is what? 21. Therefore, the required sequence will be 21, 41, 61, 81. It is before 417. Less than or equal to 417. A is what? 21. D is what? 20. Tn is what? Should be less than or equal to 417. Tn should be less than or equal to 417. Because after 417 we have to go to 466, but we have to cover up to 417. But Tn is what? Should be less than or equal to 417. A plus n minus 1 into D less than or equal to 417. A is what? 21 plus n minus 1 into 20. Therefore, 20 times n minus 1 less than or equal to, this will give you 417 minus 21, 396. So, n minus 1 should be less than or equal to 396 upon 20. So, n minus 1 is less than or equal to 19.8. So, n less than or equal to 20.8. So, this will give you what? N is 20, because n can never be decimal. N is what? Integer. Therefore, number of common terms is what? 20. Find 4 numbers in AP whose sum is 20 and sum of their squares is what? 120. Let required 4 numbers in AP be A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. According to problem, A minus 3D plus A minus D plus A plus D plus A plus 3D, 20. 4A 20, A 5. Again, A minus 3D square plus a minus d square plus a plus d square plus a plus 3d square is equal to 120. When you'll open, middle term of this will get cancelled with middle term of this. Middle term of this will get cancelled with middle term of this. So we'll get a square plus a square plus a square plus a square. So 4 times a square. 9d square plus d square. 10d square plus d square plus 9d square. You'll get 20d square. 120. You can divide by 4. So a square plus 5d square is equal to 30. A is what? Plus 5d square 30. So 5d square is what? 30 minus 25. So 5d square is what? 5. So d square is what? 1. So d is what? Plus minus 1. So required 4 numbers in AP will be phi minus, or first write a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. So phi minus 3, 2, phi minus 1, 4, phi plus 1, 6, phi plus 3, 8. And when you place minus 1, then it will give you or 8, 6, 4, 2. Solve the equation x plus 1 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 7 plus x plus 10 plus so on plus x plus 28 is equal to 155. Since 1, 4, 7, 10 dot 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 28 are in AP with A1, D3 and Tn is what? 28. So we'll find out number of terms. Since Tn is what? A plus n minus 1 into D. 28 is what? 1 plus n minus 1 into 3. So 27 is what? 3 into. So 9 is equal to n minus 1. The number of term is what? 10. So how many x's will be there? 10 x's will be there. Also we'll find out its sum. Also 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus dot 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 up to 28 is nothing but n by 2 into first term plus last term. 10 by 2 into first term is 1 plus last term is 28. So 5 into 29. It is 145. Therefore, x plus 1 plus x plus 3, x plus 4 plus x plus 7 plus so on plus x plus 28 is 155. Now how many x's are there? Number of terms 10. So 10x will be there and sum of 147 is what? 145 is equal to 155. So 10x is what? 10. So x is what? 1. Question number 8. If Sn denotes sum of first n terms of AP, if S2n is what? 3 times Sn, then find S3n upon Sn. Let A be first term and D be common difference of AP. Since S2n is what? 3 times Sn. By formula it is what? 2n by 2, 2a plus 2n minus 1 into D is equal to 3 times Sn is what? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Now n will get cancelled from both the side. So we'll get 2a plus 2n minus 1 into D is equal to 3 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Upon 2 you cross multiply and 3 you multiply on that side. So 4a plus 2 into 2, 4n minus 2 D is equal to 3 into 2, 6a plus 3n minus 3 D. Bring D on this side. So 4n minus 2 minus 3n plus 3 into D is equal to 6a minus 4a is what? 2a. So n plus 1 into D is what? 2a. So 2a is what? N plus 1d. Equation number 1. Now we want consider S3n divided by Sn. S3n is what? 3n by 2, 2a plus 3n minus 1 into D. And Sn is what? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Now n by 2 will get cancelled. So this will give you 3 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D upon 2a plus n minus 1 into D. 3 into the value of 2a is what? N plus 1d plus n minus 1 into D upon n plus 1d plus n minus 1d. Reason from 1. 3 into 2nd upon n plus n, 2n into D. So 2nd here also, n plus n, oh sorry, this is 3n minus 1. So this will give 4nd upon 2nd, which is 3 into 2, 6.